Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI picture generator. So let's get started. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. And here you can find the option of photos. Now select it and tap one photo that you want to generate the AI photo. And then here you can find the option of AI tools. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the option of image generator right here. Now go ahead and select it. And here you can find the aspect ratio, color and lighting and composition options for the AI image generator. Simply tap onto one, just like this. You can also select the style. Now to create, you have to write what do you want to create. You can create simple art, something like this, and tap on to create. Now wait for a few seconds, and finally here you can see the image has been generated. Now we can see the options that we have chosen from. And that's it. This is how you can create AI generator by using the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.